Hello YouTube and welcome to King Sedgemoor's Drain that flows from the River Kerry at Henley Corner and finishes where it meets the mouth of the River Parrett at Dumble, just north of the town of Bridgwater. The main channel was constructed between 1791 and 1795 and is around 10.5 miles long. As its name suggests, King Sedgemoor's Drain was built up to help drain part of the Somerset Levels that lie just south of the Poldon Hills, and is unusual in that it operates entirely by gravity. Initially providing some relief from flooding, the drain was quickly beset with problems. The peat underlying the channel began to rise up, the shallow gradient allowed sediment to build up, and the penning sluices that had been fitted to the new bridges, designed to help with the irrigation, were too small, contributing to continuing flooding conditions. Many of the issues King Sedgemoor's Drain faced could have been avoided with routine maintenance, but this was hampered by decades of systemic failures. It wasn't until 1939 when a comprehensive improvement scheme finally began. The Grey Lake Sluice was built in 1942 and used guillotine gates to control water levels. These were upgraded to 2 tilting sluice gates in 2006, which allowed the water levels to be managed more flexibly. The RSPB Grey Lake Nature Reserve, which sits alongside King Sedgemoor's Drain, has paths, trails and lookouts that enable you to see right into the heart of the reserve and experience some of the rich variety of wildlife supported by the Somerset Levels and moors. In 2014, devastating floods hit the Somerset Levels, flooding over 600 homes and 17,000 acres of farmland and decimating wildlife populations. Since then, the Environment Agency and the Somerset Rivers Authority have been working on a 20-year plan to try and prevent such flooding from happening again, and to protect it in the future, particularly in light of the rising water levels we all face globally. The latest phase of the River Sowie King Sedgemoor's Drain Enhancement Scheme has just begun, to increase the capacity of the two rivers. Techniques such as creating new banks, raising low spots, and reshaping existing banks are being employed, as well as the formation of a new backwater. So for now and the foreseeable future, King Sedgemoor's Drain continues to play a central role in the flood prevention strategy and the survival of the Somerset Levels as one of the most important places for wildlife in England. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And to get the latest updates, remember to hit that notification bell.